What is digestive system? Explain structure and functions of digestive organs and process of digestion. Classify the tissues and explain the functions of epithelial tissue in brief. Explain the structure and functions of the ear. Describe how kidney works in the elimination of waste fluid with the help of a diagram. Explain the structure and functions of the thyroid gland. What cranial nerves are related to certain special senses? Explain briefly the functions of each nerve. Describe the structure and functions of female reproductive organs with a diagram. Explain the process of cell reproduction in brief. Describe the types and functions of adipose tissues in the body. What is skeleton system? Discuss structure and functions of long bone. What do you mean by lymphatic system? What is its role in human body? Draw a well-labeled figure of internal female reproductive organs and explain the menstrual cycle in brief. What is muscular system? Describe its types and explain how energy relating process takes place. Explain the structure and function of a human cell with the help of a diagram. Discuss the structure, types and functions of epithelium tissue. Describe the types of joints and their role in human motion. Distinguish between external and internal respiration. What is nephron? Explain the urine formation process drawing a figure. Discuss the composition and function of blood in human body. What is nervous system? Describe its types and functions in human body. What is connective tissue? Name the various kinds of connective tissues and explain their functions. Describe the process of meiosis and point out its importance. What are the main differences between tendon and ligament? Explain the functions of joints. Why kidneys are called master chemist of body? Explain with examples. Describe the process of gaseous exchange in respiratory system. Explain the structure and functions of the lymph vessels and lymph nodes. Describe the structure and functions of the mammary gland with the labeled diagram. Describe the structure and functions of the different parts of brain with illustration. Describe the structure and functions of the ear. Describe the types, structure and functions of blood cells. Explain the structure and functions of kidneys. Illustrate the structure and functions of ovaries and uterus. What is nervous system? Explain autonomic nervous system. What is endocrine system? Explain the structure and functions of pituitary, thyroid and adrenal glands. Explain the structure of the alimentary canal and process of digestion in human body. Draw a neat labeled sketch of the structure of a typical animal cell and describe the functions of Golgi body and mitochondria. Describe with the help of a sketch the structure and functions of the skin. Why is excretory system essential to our health? Explain with examples. Describe the structure and functions of heart with a label diagram. Explain the pulmonary, coronary and portal circulation in brief. Describe the main role of hormones in the development of sexual characteristics in human being. What are the types of cranial nerves? Write down the functions of each nerve. Why is pituitary gland called the principal endocrine gland? Do you agree with the statement? Justify your answer with proper labeling. Explain various phases of mitosis with proper labeling. What is compound epithelium? Describe briefly various types of compound epithelium. Describe the structure and functions of the lymph vessels and lymph nodes. What is the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system? Explain the process of gaseous exchange in respiratory system. Why is the pituitary gland sometimes called the master gland of the body? Explain with examples. Which cranial nerves are related to certain special senses? Explain briefly the functions of each nerve. What are the main internal female reproductive organs? Describe the functions of each organ with clear diagram. Explain the process of systematic blood circulation in human body. What is joint? Explain the types of joint with appropriate example and figure. Elucidate phases of menstruation cycle in human. What is neuron? How does reflex action takes place in human body? Illustrate it with examples and figure. Draw a label diagram of external and internal organs of female reproductive system. Describe the system. Describe the structure and functions of the internal organs of female's reproductive system. What is meant by excretory system? Explain the structure and functions of urinary system.